the different sorts of features. Well, as I mentioned already, HTML5 has always been developers' companion. It has got a lot of different features which will make the developer's life easier, as he'll be able to develop a lot of different sorts of applications. He'll be able to accelerate the pace of his innovation, because given these APIs and given the support that they are slowly getting in the different browser industry, different browsers are coming up and supporting these features, the developers can easily get on and use these features and implement them as their whims and fancies allow them, and make the best of the applications that can be there. At the same time, it also gives the end user the due freedom that has always been needed, and that is always that the end user has always lacked. So remember those good old days when you wanted to download a particular video from the internet, and or you rather visited a particular page that had a video, and you did not have the latest or most updated version of Flash Player on your browser. Say you were using IE6, Internet Explorer 6, and you just did not have the features, the capability in the browser to play the video that was there on the web page. So for all such sorts of problems, HTML5 is the answer, because just to give an example, HTML5 has got native video element for this particular case, which can be used by developers to have the videos there, and the browsers at the user end part of the equation can use the browser's native video element, feature to play the video. They don't really need to download the Adobe Flash Player. They don't need any additional video players to play a video on the web page. So this was one of the features that has been very helpful, and that was what I wanted to share to help understand the use of HTML5 and how it's made the life of end users more relaxed and more easy to go. Well, so how come HTML5 is able to support all of these different features? So you can see, if you can see in the slide here, there are different. There's an image of HTML5 in the middle, in the center of the slide, and you have different features all surrounded by it. So these different icons are actually the icons of the different features that are being supported by HTML5 specification. That are actually published in the HTML5 specification. Now it all depends on the browsers how they're going to implement these features into their native framework and allow it to be used by developers and end users at the same time. So you have the different sorts of features over here, like the local storage over here, and then you have the media elements, that is the video, as I said, and the audio as well. The local the section elements where you can just segment your entire web page into different sections. So all of these, you don't really need div elements anymore. You don't need all messed up documented structure. You can all use the new features that are there in HTML5. So moving on to the next slide from here. Well, so to give you a crisp idea, a summarized view of the different features that are there,